bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Well, obviously it went all right because I got my phone back, my camera, and you brought the drone home.
I did. I didn't crash it. I flew it till it had 30% of power. And
Okay.
so it was telling me that was enough. So I'm going to recharge it up and fly it again. It was,
Right on.
did okay.
Did you get these guys some good shots? Or is it just practice?
Well, it's it's me going around in a circle and going all over the place and everything. So
Okay.
yeah, I mean it showed the camper and everything when I was looking at.
Okay, you're really dark in this camera.
I think
I'm having an issue with all of my cameras.
may have been something I touched. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Did you turn
Okay,
the
it's okay.
stuff off?
We're having a little bit of issues with our mics and our cameras, so you just have to bear with us. We're not very technical when it comes to these things, so we'll have Aja or Seth look at them. But okay, good deal, guys. So
Yep.
we're probably
First flight.
gonna,
I'm gonna get charged up and do it again before it gets dark.
Okay. We've got the dueling drones. Why didn't you land it?
No, not automatically. You have to hold down.
Hold down what? That way it doesn't come down hard on the camera or anything.
Oh,
I'll show you.
very cool. Good job. You rock, babe.
No wrecks.
No wrecks.
No
You rock.
battery, so, okay.
All right, guys. I hope we got some good footage to show you guys because that was like an amazing sunset.
So like when I'm like this, it'll fight me. Like it'll go back to where it was before. Like actually, you can get some pretty sick shots if you do it like this, and you can like boomerang it. But yeah, you hold it in your hand.
Yeah.
Because it thinks it's on the ground because it can't go down anymore.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, they actually never intended that, but it's a way safer way to land the drone.
Yeah. I tried to.
All right, guys. Well, our day has come to an end.
You want your phone?
The sky is getting dark with some black clouds, but that's all right. We're all going in for the night.
Wow, I can get some pretty
And that
sweet
was
shots
an
of that.
amazing
Ready?
sunset. So we'll see you guys all tomorrow. Luna, what are you doing up there? Oh, look, Scott, can you move your arm? You guys, no, seriously. Scotty, can you take him over there to show them where she's sitting?
These dogs are so loving. You were just sitting right on the ledge, aren't you? There's nothing there. What a good puppy.
Hi, oh, Luna. Okay, out, down, down, down. Oh, goodness sakes. Luna, I love you so much, but you're just a little too big for my being up here. What you think, Moo Moo? Huh? What did you think of that? She does. She's
got the jumping up there.
Luna is such a sweet dog. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's so sweet. It's Scotty's gonna give her cookies. No licky licky. Oh, Uncle,
give me
pet
some
me.
love. Just give me some love. You were probably supposed to go out and do something. Were you supposed to go out and hunt rabbits? And you came over here?
Babe.
I'm trying to.
Scott's trying to watch his show. That's his retirement show.
Just the last little bit.
What?
I like watching the last little bit, see if they win or lose. Where's the rabbit?
When
You were supposed to get a rabbit.
Scott worked for so many darn years, he never got to watch any of these shows. And when he quit work and we went on the road, he's loving that. You like The Price is Right.
I do. I'll never be on it. But
Well, don't say never. You
see,
never
it's
know what we'll end up
it's
doing.
Drew's birthday today, and it's your birthday tomorrow.
Hey, yeah, okay. Happy birthday, Drew.
So they're giving away great prizes.
Oh, moo moo. Oh, it's a baby. Yes. Okay, I really got to get going.
Okay, put down the camera and get back to work.
But moo moo's so fun to play with. Ah, moo moo. All right. Well, we are getting ready to head into town and have some pizza with Chris and his wife. And this has been just a really lovely place to camp out for a few days and meet some new friends. Fly the drone. And I'm not sure where we're going after this, but we'll take you guys with us wherever we go. Are y'all ready to roll, Raj?
Yeah, y'all?
Say hello. Good morning. Good morning.
morning.
Yep, we're ready to roll.
Oh, okay.
We're ready to go have some pizza.
Hand him this and then here. Hand
Okay, we got our walkie-talkies.
Here you
I
go.
think she likes my
Oh, we'll put it right there. Okay. And
Channel
just so you
21.
guys know, I do know that that's the front of the walkie-talkie. It's all good. All right, well, Seth and Aja are up at the gate here. And we are heading into town, like we said.
And I'm going to give a life learning lesson in case I haven't already said this. If you go on a farm and there are gates, you do not want to be the passenger by the door. You always have to get out, open the gate, and then you wait for everything to go through, and you have to lock the gate. Something I learned years ago at my buddy's farm. And I wondered when I called shotgun, they laughed at me. And it didn't take but 7 gates to realize that I was a fool.
Anyways, I'm going to tell you guys while Scotty's out here locking the gate. Oh, he's already back.
Huh?
The one thing he doesn't tell you is that he's such a gentleman that he purposely sits by the door so that he can get out and unlock and lock all those gates. Yeah, you laugh, but that is how Scotty is. He's a true gentleman. Through and through.
Let's go.
Roger Dodger, let's roll them. Scotty just said it reminds him of covered wagons on the prairie, except we're a bunch of RVers. It is definitely washboard when you get to this spot here.
I feel my abs getting a workout. Oh, I mean, yeah, my abs.
All right, we're almost on the main road where it will be a little bit less bumpy. But still, the road was well worth the visit. again?
It's Operation American Road Trip.
So that's his channel. So you guys go check that out. He's got some stuff on there. And what do you do on your channel?
Well, I want to travel with my RV and just go on camping trips, but I've put some of my hunting trips. I have one of us setting up a ham radio repeater tower on there.
Oh,
This
cool.
was something we did recently. So it's kind of just a weird mix of stuff, but if I find something interesting, I'll post it up there.
Well, that's cool. So go check out his channel, guys.